Construction is everywhere. In fact, this global industry has become an essential part of our economy, which is responsible for development of infrastructure. From building small homes to building skyscraper, and from constructing roads to railway projects, there has always been a lot of moving parts that leads to success or failure of project. But rather than dealing the project as one big undertaking, it's more manageable to break it down into segments or construction stages. So what are these stages? Let's discuss in detail in this video. What is construction project management? Construction project management is a process to attain the ultimate goal or objectives stated by owner within a specified timeline. So a project has defined beginning and end. Specific tasks are performed and resources are consumed, known as 4Ms: manpower, machinery, materials, and money. As a project progresses, the information about the project increases and the project team learns more about the project. Construction projects are broken up into 4 stages, each with different types of contractors and risk involved. The first stage is the pre-construction phase, where someone takes an idea and puts into motion. This stage involves planning, schematic design, design development, and contract documents. During this stage, the owner hires the key consultants, including the designer and project manager. They evaluate the project's requirements, objectives, overall feasibility, and then establish a project budget to work from. This stage is very important for the owner as he gets much reliable information about the project and takes the decision whether he should proceed with the project or not. On the next, the project team apply value engineering and investigate alternate design, materials, and solutions. In the design development process, the main systems and components of the project are designed to find the right equipment and materials in the procurement phase. During this stage, the good communication between the owner, designer, and construction manager is very critical, as selections during this stage affects project appearance, construction, and cost. If we see the reasons behind the failure of construction project, poor scope, definition, planning, and communication during the whole process are major causes of failure. Once the final documents for the bid packages are prepared, a detailed and complete cost estimate for the project can be done by designing the main systems and components of project. The second stage is procurement, that is also known as bidding and award phase. This stage begins with an public advertisement for all interested bidders or an invitation to specific bidders, and team members are coordinated to meet the project's cost estimates and completion deadlines. During this stage, it is very important to select highly qualified contractors and avoid underbid contractors. When all the planning is done, materials are acquired, machinery is set up, blueprints are made, and work team is selected. The next stage is the execution of plans made on paper to real work. This phase involves breaking down the project into smaller tasks. These tasks are then executed according to project schedule. This execution phase includes activities such as site clearing, foundation laying, structural erection, installation of utilities, and so on, depending on the nature of the project. A lot of efforts is required to keep up the execution on the ground parallel with the planning. This is the stage where project team and general contractors build the project. Throughout the construction phase, quality assurance and control measures are implemented to ensure that the work meets specified standards and requirements. This involves inspection, testing, and adherence to relevant codes and regulations. Any deviations or defects discovered during this phase are addressed promptly to maintain quality standards. Project progress is monitored regularly during the construction phase to track performance against the schedule and budget. Effective coordination and communication among project team members, subcontractors, and stakeholders are crucial during the construction phase for the success of the project. The final stage of the construction project is called post-construction phase or closeout phase. The key activities involved in this stage includes review the project with the client, finalizing project documents and transferring ownership and deliverables.